Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious and treacherous places on Earth, the Amazon rainforest.
Analysis shows political action has helped a dramatic decline in the number of trees lost in the tropical forest of
Amazon is the largest and most dangerous forest in the world.
Is it possible to travel through the entire Amazon? What dangers and challenges would you face? Stick around to find out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling exploration content. Challenge 1. The Amazon's immensity. The Amazon rainforest spans over 5.5 million square kilometers, covering parts of 9 countries in South America. It's the largest rainforest on Earth, housing an unparalleled diversity of wildlife and plant species. The sheer size of the Amazon makes it an incredibly daunting place to traverse. To give you an idea, it would take an experienced hiker months, if not years, to travel through the entire Amazon, dealing with some of the most extreme conditions on the planet. Challenge 2. Wildlife dangers. The Amazon is home to countless species, many of which can pose serious threats to humans. Here are some of the most dangerous creatures you might encounter. Jaguars. These apex predators are stealthy and powerful. While attacks on humans are rare, they are not unheard of. Jaguars can be found prowling the dense forest, and their ability to move silently makes them a formidable threat. Anacondas. The green anaconda is the largest snake in the world by weight. These giant serpents can reach lengths of over 30 feet. They are non-venomous, but can constrict their prey with immense force, making them dangerous to any traveler. Poison dart frogs. Despite their small size, these brightly colored frogs are among the most toxic animals on Earth. Their skin secretes potent toxins that can cause serious harm or even death if touched. Piranhas. Found in the Amazon River, these carnivorous fish have a fearsome reputation. While attacks on humans are rare, they are known for their sharp teeth and powerful bite. Bullet ants. Known for having one of the most painful stings in the insect world, bullet ants are aptly named. A sting from one of these ants feels like being shot, and the pain can last for up to 24 hours. Challenge 3. Environmental challenges. The environment of the Amazon poses numerous challenges that make traveling through it extremely difficult. Dense vegetation. The thick jungle canopy and undergrowth make navigation difficult. Travelers often need machetes to cut through the dense foliage. Unpredictable weather. The Amazon experiences heavy rainfall and high humidity, creating muddy, slippery conditions. Sudden storms can flood areas quickly, making travel hazardous. Rivers and streams. The Amazon basin is crisscrossed by numerous rivers and streams. Crossing these water bodies can be perilous, especially during the rainy season when water levels rise dramatically. Insects and parasites. Mosquitoes carrying diseases like malaria and dengue fever are prevalent. Other parasites, such as leeches and botflies, can also pose serious health risks. Lack of infrastructure. The Amazon is largely undeveloped with few roads and settlements. This lack of infrastructure makes it challenging to find supplies and medical assistance in case of emergencies. Challenge 4. Navigational difficulties. Navigating through the Amazon is no easy task. Getting lost. With few landmarks and dense foliage, it's easy to lose your way. GPS devices can help, but the dense canopy can interfere with satellite signals. Communication challenges. Cell service is virtually non-existent in most parts of the Amazon. Travelers must rely on satellite phones or radios for communication, which can be unreliable in dense jungle. Isolation. The remote nature of the Amazon means you could be days away from the nearest help. This isolation can be dangerous if you encounter any health or safety issues. Challenge 5. Indigenous tribes. The Amazon is home to many indigenous tribes who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries. While some tribes are friendly and open to outsiders, others are uncontacted and prefer to remain isolated. Friendly tribes. Some tribes welcome visitors and can provide valuable knowledge about survival in the jungle. They understand the land and its resources better than anyone. Uncontacted tribes. There are over 100 uncontacted tribes in the Amazon. These tribes have no contact with the outside world and may react defensively to outsiders. It's crucial to respect their space and avoid any unintentional harm. It's now a question of whether you can travel through the entire Amazon rainforest. While it is theoretically possible to travel through the entire Amazon, it's a monumental task that few have attempted and even fewer have completed. The journey would require extensive preparation, support, and knowledge of survival techniques. Preparation. Thorough planning is essential. This includes gathering supplies, mapping out routes, and understanding the terrain and wildlife. Support. Traveling with a team of experts, including guides familiar with the jungle, medics, and survival specialists, increases your chances of success. Survival skills. Knowledge of foraging, building shelters, and navigating without modern technology is crucial. The jungle can be unforgiving to those who are unprepared. Physical and mental stamina. The journey through the Amazon is not just a physical challenge, but a mental one as well. Enduring the constant threats and isolation requires immense mental fortitude. Fascinating facts about the Amazon. Before we wrap up, here are some fascinating facts about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon River. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world, stretching over 6,400 kilometers. It discharges more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Biodiversity. The Amazon is home to about 10% of the known species on Earth. It hosts around 390 billion individual trees belonging to 16,000 species carbon sink. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate. It absorbs around 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year, acting as a vital carbon sink medicinal plants. Many plants in the Amazon have medicinal properties. It's estimated that about 25% of modern medicines are derived from rainforest plants. Deforestation. Despite its vast size, the Amazon is under threat from deforestation. Every minute, an area of forest equivalent to 3 football fields is lost. Traveling through the Amazon rainforest is an extraordinary adventure fraught with dangers and challenges. From deadly wildlife to environmental hazards, it's a journey that tests the limits of human endurance and resilience. But it's also a place of unparalleled beauty and biodiversity, a testament to the wonders of our natural world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exploration content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on traveling through the Amazon.